Today I am going to explain about the construction of canal section with rock pad. This is a new concept of construction of canal. Engineers always try to mark the alignment of on the final survey sheets containing L section and cross section such that the soil available from the cutting will be exactly equal to the quantity of filling in the embankment. So in this condition there will be no additional land required for storing in spoil bank, or if in filling reach more filling is there, then we have to borrow the soil from the borrow area, which again require additional land acquisition for borrow area and carting cost from borrow area to the canal section area. How balancing depth is calculated? The quantity of filling equal to quantity of cutting. By solving the equation we get the balancing depth. We will explain taking some example in further next lecture. But such balancing depth is not available along the alignment because ground is uneven. If we try that canal should be always in balancing depth section, then length of the canal will be longer. But it again make the costly construction of canal. So somewhere it is available at balancing depth, somewhere it is in deep cutting. When canal go through the deep cutting, then this bank, minimum bank is required because water level is in deep cutting is below the ground level, and these bank embankment are minimum height of embankment, or this soil topsoil will be sufficient to make this embankment. If the in cutting section total quantity of soil is available, then additional soil is transported to the filling section of canal. If in cutting additional rock is available, then it can't be used in filling reaches. So in such condition, the rock spiles is stored in spile banks. This will require additional land acquisition, which increases the cost of canal construction. So if in anyhow, if we utilize these rock obtained from the cutting section, deep cutting section, then this additional land acquisition can be avoided. And in filling reaches, these rocks can be used. This I have going to explain about the canal construction with rock pad. If rock is used in filling section, then this spile additional land can be avoided. Further, this soil carting from borrow area is also avoided, and land acquisition of borrow area also avoided. This will reduce the construction cost of canal. So how this rock pad is constructed? We put the boulders in the bottom layer boulder of size 30 centimeter to 4 centimeter means 40 mm in layer and compacted closely placed by hand, and over this roller can be rolled. Over this rock pad, this earthen embankment is constructed. But earthen embankment can't be constructed on the directly on the rock pad. In between rock pad and earthen embankment, filter layer is provided. So over the filter rock pad, about 30 centimeter to 45 centimeter gravel layer, metal layer is placed, and over this 30 centimeter layer of sand is placed. This filter layer should be such that any water received from the earthen embankment, water should pass through the sand layer, but bits of sand should be such that it should not pass the earthen particle or soil particle, otherwise this earthen embankment will be eroded, and this embankment will be failed. So some filter criteria is obtained, filter criteria is adopted, and this sand particle should not pass through the bits of this metal layer. Only water should pass, and this metal should not pass through the bits of boulder. This is a matter of design of a filter layer, which I will explain in some next lecture. Here there should be some earthen cushion below the bed of the canal. So this earthen cushion between bed of the canal and filter layer should be equal to T, and T should be equal to D by 3, यानी depth of water upon 3, यानी 1/3 of water depth का कम से कम इसमें earthen cushion should be there, or minimum 30 centimeter. For enlarged, suppose this is depth of water is 3 meter, then earthen cushion between filter layer and bed of canal should be 1 meter. If rock pad is required to construct in minor canal where water depth is about 1 meter or so, then minimum 30 centimeter of earthen cushion should be provided. In this way, while construction of canal section with rock pad, we avoid the additional land required for keeping this rock material in spiral bank, and to require borrow area for soil and carting of soil is avoided by the construction of rock pad, which is available from deep cutting. So in this way we can save the cost of the construction cost of the canal, and this section is utilized constructed in Indira Sagar project canal in district Khandwa and Khargone, Madhya Pradesh. This paper I have submitted many years ago to the IWRS journals, and also both the irrigation department, Bhopal MP, and Engineer Association Journal of MP, Engineer Association. So this is all about the construction of canal section with rock pad. If any query, you have any query, then you can comment in. I will try to reply. So it is, if you like this lecture, then you like and subscribe my channel, so that further I will video, you can observe it. Okay, thanks.